You weren't born with a manual for your brain, so you've been winging it. But it's time to toss the distractions and finally learn how this machine actually works. Ever sat down to work only to find yourself scrubbing the floor or organizing a junk drawer instead? It feels like there's a missing piece in your head, a gap between what you know and what you actually do. That's because a billion-dollar algorithm is literally hooked into your attention, pulling you away from your potential. You're standing on one cliff, looking at the person you could be, but the canyon in between looks impossible to cross. But a bridge isn't built with magic, it's built line by line, habit by habit. Let's start laying the planks. Your brain runs on a currency called dopamine. It's the fuel that lights up your internal battery. Think of your hardest task as a boss battle. You wouldn't fight a dragon without a sword, would you? Gamify the small wins. A single piece of chocolate after a deep work session is a loot box for your soul. Drown out the world with brown noise. It's a sonic shield that keeps your focus locked in a cage. When you control your environment, you aren't just a student or a worker anymore. You are the protagonist of your own story. Look at your desk. If it's covered in visual noise, your brain is processing clutter instead of concepts. Clear the deck. One book, one glass of water, one singular mission. Minimize to maximize. The phone is a portal to nowhere. Move it to another room. If you can't see it, it can't tempt you. By removing just a few digital leaks, you reclaim 20% of your daily cognitive energy instantly. The average person loses 3 hours a day to the void. Imagine what you could build in that darkness. Time is elastic. It stretches to fill the space you give it, or it vanishes before you can blink. This is Parkinson's law. Work expands to fill the time available, so give yourself less time and watch your speed double. Plant a digital tree. Use tools that reward your stillness. Let your focus grow while the world stays frantic. Stop trying to put information in. Start pulling it out. Retrieval is where the real learning happens. The Feynman technique. If you can't explain it to a child, you don't understand it yourself. Teach to learn. Don't just read the answers. Hunt for the questions. Make your brain sweat for the solution. The hardest part is always the start. Pushing that heavy wheel takes everything you have, until it doesn't. Consistency isn't about 8-hour marathons. It's about that 1 hour every single day without fail. Look closer. The person you're becoming is already there, waiting for you to claim the crown. Every page you read, every minute you focus, is a step up the mountain of your own potential. Your future self is already thanking you for not giving up today. The old you is gone. The focused you is here. Say it with me. I'm back. If this manual helped you, hit the bell and share the spark. Your journey starts now.